When Lunch Fights Back Wickedly Clever Animal Defenses by Rebecca L. Johnson. Chapter 5 Knockout Punch. Peacock mantis shrimp. Odontodactylus laris. Odontodactylus scalaris. Distribution Indian and Western Pacific Oceans. Habitat sandy and gravelly ocean bottom, often near coral reefs. Size 1 to 7 inches, 3 to 18 centimeters. Decked out in rainbow colors, a peacock mantis shrimp looks fairly harmless at first glance. Two bulging pink eyes sit atop neon blue stalks. The eyes belong to a peacock mantis shrimp that is crouched in its small rocky den. The mantis shrimp holds its large forelimbs high and close to its body. The rounded hammers at the elbows of the forelimbs are cocked and ready. The eyes swivel left, right, up, and down as the mantis shrimp scans its surroundings for movement. Movement often means food. Something slithers around a nearby rock. The mantis shrimp scoots forward to get a better look. This something is not food, however. It's the tip of an arm, a long suckered arm attached to a big octopus. The whole octopus slides into view. It spots a mantis shrimp and moves closer. The mantis shrimp is much smaller than the octopus, yet it stands its ground. It waits and watches the bigger predator with its non-stop eyes. The octopus shoots out an arm and makes a grab for the mantis shrimp. Bam! The mantis shrimp retaliates with an underhand blow. The hammers on its forelimbs move incredibly fast. They strike tender octopus flesh with tremendous force. The octopus jerks back. The mantis shrimp scoots forward and strikes again. Wham! The octopus draws in its arms and flushes dark red. It is no match for the mantis shrimp's knockout punch. Defeated, it slithers away. Octopuses eat mostly small fish and crustaceans, including lobsters, shrimp, and mantis shrimp. Nevertheless, mantis shrimp often successfully chase away octopuses many times their size. The science behind the story. Mantis shrimp are cousins of lobsters and shrimp. There are many mantis shrimp species, and most would fit in the palm of your hand. But you probably wouldn't want to hold one. Mantis shrimp are ferocious predators armed with unique and powerful weapons. The weapons are the forelimbs, of course. They come in two varieties. Spear-type mantis shrimp have spine-studded forelimbs that open and close like a bear trap. Smasher types, like the peacock mantis shrimp, have forearms equipped with rounded, club-like elbows. They use these hammers for smashing the hard shells of snails, crabs, and clams. Once the shells have been broken open, the mantis shrimp devours the soft flesh inside. A peacock mantis shrimp keeps its powerful hammers tucked away. Arrow. Whoop. Oh, there's its arm. See how it's folded under like that, like a boxing glove? Keeps it tucked away until it's ready to use them. A peacock mantis shrimp keeps its powerful hammers tucked away until it's ready to use them. So here are the four limbs there. What works for killing prey also helps the mantis shrimp defend itself against predators. When it feels threatened, it lashes out with astonishing speed and force. Just how fast can a smasher-type mantis shrimp deliver its punch? That's what biologist Sheila Patek wanted to know. Working at the University of California at Berkeley, Patek and fellow biologist Roy Caldwell used high-speed cameras to film peacock mantis shrimp striking out with their hammers. When the scientists viewed the film in slow motion, they were able to calculate the speed at which the hammers move. And the answer is about 50 miles per hour or 23 meters per second. The speed on the highway is 70 miles an hour, so that is really fast. A single punch takes just 1.8 milliseconds to occur. Imagine pumping your fists that fast underwater. The peacock mantis shrimp's hammer strike is one of the fastest known movements made by living things in the ocean. A peacock mantis shrimp's punch isn't just fast, it's so powerful it can crack the rock hard shells of snails and other animals the shrimp eats. Working at Duke University, Patek designed experiments to measure the power of that punch. She tricked a mantis shrimp living in an un- she tricked a mantis shrimp living in an aquarium into punching an instrument that measures the force of a blow. The technical term is impact force. Patek recorded mantis shrimp punches again and again. She could hardly believe the results. The mantis shrimp typically struck the instrument with well over 200 pounds or 890 newtons of force. The hammer impact is massive, she says. These animals are producing thousands of times their body weight in peak impact force. As far as I know, this still holds the record as the highest force generation of any organism that has been measured on the planet. There's those arms again. A peacock mantis shrimp cracks a snail's shell with a blow from one of its hammers. There's the scientist. Rows of aquariums are home to mantis shrimp in Sheila Patek's lab at Duke University. Left. The glass wall of an aquarium in Roy Caldwell's lab shatters as the peacock mantis shrimp delivers a powerful punch. Below. Ooh, look at that. You can see that the glass is cracked. Patek has been punched by different species of mantis shrimp quite a few times. What does it feel like? Being punched is not so bad. It feels like a little like a bee sting, she said. Rows of aquariums line Patek's laboratory. They are home to dozens of smasher type mantis shrimp that technically can hit hard enough to break glass. I've never had any mantis shrimp break our aquariums, Patek admitted. They don't normally strike the glass unless provoked, so obviously we try to avoid that behavior. In other words, in Patek's lab full of mantis shrimp, nobody taps on the glass.